So guys, once you're on our BIOS, make sure that you have CSM support on disabled. Disable CSM support. And now you want to click on Secure Boot. You want to make your Secure Boot mode custom. So double click on this and then make it custom. Next, you want to select Restore Factory Keys. And then click on Yes to proceed. For me, I don't have this problem, so I'm not going to proceed. But in your case, you want to click on Yes to proceed. And then it's going to ask you exit without saving. You want to click on no. So when it says proceed, you want to click on yes. And then when it asks you about saving, you want to click on no. Once you do that, we're now going to save and exit. Save and exit setup. And then click on yes. Now we're going to go back into our BIOS. Once this comes up, click on delete. Now once we're back in our BIOS, we're now going to go to the BIOS tab. Double click on Secure Boot. Secure Boot should now be active. We can now save and exit setup, and then go back to Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.